Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at the ChargeTab 3-pack emergency portable chargers. Alright everybody, welcome back. Now, if you're a prepper and you've been on this channel for a while, you've seen me show you every possible conceivable power backup system, from my rather large homemade system to little tiny portable power banks for your phone. This is something that's totally different from that. These are one-time use and disposable. However, they do have a recycling program for them. We'll get into that later. This is a ChargeTab 3-pack emergency portable chargers. When you open up the pack, here's the pack here I opened. When you open up a pack, this is what they're going to look like. Pretty simple, pretty basic. You will see a little, either a green light or a red light when it's finished. Green light will show you there. We plug in to activate. Blue light, means on. And you unplug to deactivate. The blue light will stay on for a few minutes after you unplug. They are a one-time use deal, but they are really handy. Look at the packaging for that. Way less bulky than a cell phone or a cell phone charger. Way less bulky than, of course, a power station. Something like that with you. Just toss it in your car on the side of the road when you got to grab a phone call and your battery's dead. Really, really important. So I think these are really handy prepper-wise. I think they definitely can have some use in your prepper gear. Even in a bug-out bag or a get-home bag, more importantly. I would think after a day in the office using your phone all day, maybe you're getting ready to bug out from a disaster in your city or area, and your phone is dead. Well, now you have enough to make a phone call home, say, I'm all right, I'm walking home, whatever's going on. So these are 2,900 milliamp hours. Again, they're not going to fully charge your phone. They'll give you enough energy to do the very basic, maybe make a phone call home, maybe send a few texts. All in all, handy little item to have. You know, the smaller your phone is, the more they'll charge up. They do have a free recycling program. Now, they'll refurbish and restore these batteries for a price to keep them out of landfills. Basically, what they'll do is you send it back and they'll fix it up. They say do not crush these, do not puncture them, short or incinerate them, and do not disassemble them. Battery may get hot, but they don't give you any information on the conditions you should keep them in. Because I'm worried about my car. In the summertime, especially lately, car can get up to 140 degrees inside. So maybe I'll put this in my my carry bag, my everyday carry bag. But seriously, you can slip one of these in your cargo pants pocket or whatever, and we wouldn't even know you had it. Now the cool part is they have a 2-year shelf life, and they come with a bunch of different extra cables. I chose the USB-C because that's what my phone is, but this can charge anything USB-C. It doesn't have to just be your cell phone. They do have the Apple charger, as well as the standard mini USB charger as well. So either way, your phone's going to get charged up. If you're a ham radio operator and you got a way to charge a battery with that, that's definitely handy. I can think of a couple of my little chargers that actually would work with that. So that's definitely a handy little device to have. Super lightweight. I would say that's less than a couple ounces, or an ounce. Expires 1/24, so I got 2 years shelf life on that deal, a little bit more. All in all, definitely a cool little deal. So that's how it works. But I'm going to show you what you do with these on my phone. I believe my phone is, let's see, yeah, it's 100%, but you'll still be able to see that it's charging. My tablet uses a standard USB, so I can't do that. But I want to show you how it works and how easy it is to use. And when you're done, you just unplug it, and it's ready to be recycled. So let's try it out. All right, there you go. I'm going to plug that in there, the USB-C base, and there you are. It is charging the phone. You'll see the little lightning bolt in my phone. I always keep these phones topped off, and I don't know why I do that. Actually, this has been unplugged from my charger since about 7 a.m., so kind of cool that it keeps its charge that long. Now, when I say these things will charge anything, you guys remember this. This is that little Malachite clone radio I reviewed. Plug it in there. And there you go. Charging it up. So this will work with pretty much anything, okay? And you can choose which ends you want to get. I chose the USB-C because I'm starting to have a lot more USB-C stuff as time goes on. And phones are pretty much switching over to that too. You can always carry an adapter to take this down to a regular mini USB, and that will work. I did try it earlier. But I think for a prepper, I think something like this, carrying something like that is like the ultimate prepper thing. I mean, you don't have to carry a big, huge power bank. You don't have to carry a power station. You don't have to worry about getting back to your car to plug it back in if you have to evacuate on foot. You just take this thing, and it gives you, let's see, 4 hours of standby power, and I'm sure more than enough time to make a phone call home, send a few texts, let everybody know you're okay, however you're going to do that. Again, when we think back 20 years ago to 9/11, it's hard to believe that's been 20 years. Something like this would have saved a lot of people aggravation, you know. If you had something like this that you could have charged your phone with, because a lot of folks, because if your phone is off network, it roams, it looks around for a signal, and it sucks power down like crazy. Mine can go from like 90% to 85 in like 5 minutes, just looking for a signal, constantly searching. So something like this would have come in handy, walking around, waiting to get a signal, and then send your text saying, I'm on my way home, I'm safe. So definitely a cool little device, cool little item. They're 20 bucks for 3, you really can't beat it. They do come in a pack like this. This is how you'll get them. And that's pretty much it. It says do not separate. It's sold as a set of 3. You can get bigger sets if you want. I will put a link down below where you can pick these up. They are very affordable. You know, 20 bucks for 3 of them. Really can't beat it. You can hand them out to every person in your family. Say stick it in your purse, your bag, your backpack, whatever. Especially for kids with cell phones for emergency purposes. This is the thing right here. Very, very easy to use. Nice and lightweight. They're pre-charged. There's no extra cables needed. Just make sure you're getting the right size for your phone, whether it's a micro USB or a Mac with the Mac charger or the USB-C. And you're set to go. This is compatible with pretty much anything that the end will fit on it. So that is the video for today. I will put a link down below where you can pick them up. For 20 bucks, you can't go wrong. I mean, they're just handy to have. And you get stuck on the side of the road with a dead cell phone. These are definitely handy to have. So check them out. We will talk to you soon. I have more videos coming up, so don't forget to click the bell if you want to be notified when they come up, and don't forget to click subscribe if you're interested in subscribing to the channel and seeing what we do here. It's all about getting you better ready for emergencies or disasters, be they big or small. A big disaster could be a real personal thing for you. Nobody else could know about it, but it could be your personal disaster. Your car breaks down on the side of the road, your house catches on fire, whatever. These are the things we like to think about, as well as big, large, huge disasters. So check the link down there. I will have a link down there below where you can pick them up. For 20 bucks, you get 3 of them. Don't forget to check out all our other links as well. Our Amazon affiliate store has all the stuff that I review, some of the stuff I get from Amazon. Anything I don't get, I can't really put it up there. And if I find a better price somewhere else, I may link to it and let you know, hey, this is cheaper at Walmart. Don't buy it on Amazon. Don't forget our freeze-dried wholesalers link as well. You click that link, you'll save 15% on any kind of freeze-dried food you can imagine. Freeze-dried desserts, freeze-dried filet mignon, burgers, chicken, everything. You name it, he's got it freeze-dried. Don't forget to check out our Patriot Supply link. That's preparewithiridium.com. Preparewithiridium.com. I know I speak too fast sometimes, so I'll say it slow. And our Thrive Life freeze-dried food store down below as well. Anyway, folks, thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay powered up, and stay prepared.